Google Cloud Associate Engineer certification question. As a Cloud Associate Engineer, you are tasked with designing and implementing a Google Cloud environment for a new project. Which of the following best represents a Google Cloud best practice? A. Only use single-zone storage for critical data to minimize storage costs. B. Regularly create and review audit logs to track service usage. C. Assign all team members the owner role to simplify permissions management. D. Use a single VPC for all projects to simplify network design. Correct answer: B. Regularly create and review audit logs to track service usage. Explanation. Regularly creating and reviewing audit logs is a best practice for maintaining security and visibility over your Google Cloud environment. Audit logs provide a record of the activities in your Google Cloud projects and allow you to analyze and act upon any suspicious activity. Storing critical data in a single zone increases the risk of data loss if the zone experiences an outage. Google Cloud recommends storing critical data across multiple zones or regions for high availability and disaster recovery. Assigning all team members the owner role can lead to security risks. Instead, follow the principle of least privilege and assign only the necessary permissions for each user to perform their job. While using a single VPC might seem to simplify network design, it can create problems for isolation and security. It is recommended to use separate VPCs for projects that require network isolation from each other. Keywords. New project specifies the context of the task as being for a new project. Google Cloud best practice specifies the objective of finding the best practice for the task at hand. Subscribe and follow us.